Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today we are again continuing with the Pramanika Ramashtakam. So earlier two videos I have covered first, second, third and fourth shlokas. So today in this third video in the series I am giving you fifth and sixth shlokas. Okay. So as usual I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen for the benefit of those who don't know, those who already know, well and good. That is it. So I will render fifth and sixth shlokas of Pramanika Ramashtakam now. And again I will also give you the verbatim meanings. It is all very simple, beautiful and simple and brilliant shlokas. You will recite this and enjoy devotion and elation and music and melodies, etc. Fantastic. So my dear friends, here I go. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim Dashastya Vamsha Sangshatim Namami Ramamishwaram Namami Ramamishwaram. Beautiful, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is the fifth shloka of Pramanika Ramashtakam. I will recite this again. Fifth shloka of Pramanika Ramashtakam. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim Dashastya Vamsha Samshatim Namami Ramamishwaram Dashastya Vamsha Samshatim Namami Ramamishwaram. So fantastic. We will just examine the meaning now. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim. Plavanga means those creatures with just hops and hops, meaning monkeys. Plavanga. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim. That is, he had a treaty with the monkey king. The monkeys, that is Sugriva. He had a treaty. A friendship and treaty was formed. You all know the stories. That is it. Let us not go into such details. Simple, wonderful meaning. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim. Observe wonderful alliteration, rhyming words, and how it fits into the Chandas Pramanika. Fantastic, brilliant poetry. You have to enjoy all these things. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim. So Plavanga Sanga Sammatim had a treaty with monkeys. Nibaddhanim Nagapatim. He built the bridge over the ocean. So nobody else can do it. Lord Sri Rama does it. So because of the grace of Lord Sri Rama, monkeys were able to build the bridge over the sea. That is it. He built the bridge over the ocean. That is it. Nibaddhanim Nagapatim Dashastya Vamsha Samshatim. Dashastya means Dasha Asya. Asya means face. So Mukha. So that is it. Dashastya means 10-headed person. Who was it? Ravana. He killed Dashastya Vamsha Samshatim. He just put an end to his clan. The clan of Ravana, the demons were the wrongdoers. He put an end to his and their Vamsha. That is it. Their clan was demolished. That is it. So fantastic meaning. We will recite this again and enjoy. Fantastic rhyming words, isn't it? So in fact, the other poet could have used other words, but he has to fit into the chandas. Dashastya Vamsha Sangshatim. Dashakantha, it will not fit into the chandas. So we have to think in this manner to enjoy the brilliant poetry. How you bring the apt words to fit into the chandas, the meter, and also give the tunes. The la 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 le, la 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 le. Dashastya Vamsha Sangshatim. Fantastic Pramanika tunes. That is it. So we will recite this fifth shloka again and move on to sixth shloka. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim Dashastya Vamsha Sangshatim Namami Ramamishwaram Namami Ramamishwaram. So moving on to the sixth shloka of Pramanika Ramashtakam. Here I go. Vidhisha Deva Varshanam Vidhisha Deva Varshanam Kapipsitartha Harshanam Subandhushoka Karshanam Namami Ramamishwaram Namami Ramamishwaram. Vidhisha Deva Varshanam Vidhisha Deva Harshanam Kapipsitartha Varshanam Subandhushoka Karshanam Namami Ramamishwaram Namami Ramamishwaram. Fantastic. So we'll just examine the meaning of the 6th shloka now. Vidhisha Deva Harshanam. Vidhi means the Vidhi god is Brahma. Lord Brahma is called Vidhi. Isha means Ishvara. Deva Harshanam. So he bestowed happiness or he restored happiness to Lord Ishvara and Lord Brahma. For some reason, you think there might be sorrow or whatever. Anyway, he bestowed happiness and bliss to Lord Ishvara and Brahma. This is the meaning. Vidisha Deva Harshanam. He bestowed happiness to Devi Devatas including Brahma and Ishvara. Kapipsitartha Varshanam. For many reasons, he fulfilled the desires of the Kapis, the monkeys. Kapipsitartha, desires of the monkeys were fulfilled. After Varshanam, he rained the boons on them. So that is the fantastic meaning. Kapipsitartha Varshanam. Vidhisha Deva Harshanam. See, observe the fantastic rhyming words there. How it fits into the chandas and how it gives the fantastic la 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 tunes. These are all to be observed. Fantastic, brilliant poetry. So moving on. Subandhu Shoka Karshanam. Bandhu means relatives. Subandhu means good relatives. Shoka Karshanam means he reduced their shoka, that is sorrow or unhappiness. He solved their problems. To whom he is solving? To the good ones, good relatives, not to the bad ones. He will punish them. So that is according to Dharma. So that is it. We will recite the shloka again and enjoy the meaning and melody, music and tunes, and devotion and elation and whatnot, my dear friends. So we'll just recite this again. Vidhisha Deva Harshanam. Vidhisha Deva Harshanam. Kapipsitartha Varshanam. Subandhu Shoka Karshanam. Namami Ramamishwaram. Namami Ramamishwaram. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll just combinedly recite these two stotras again. 5th and 6th shlokas of this Pramanika Ramashtakam. So here I go again. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim. Plavanga Sanga Sammatim Nibaddhanim Nagapatim. Dashastya Vangsha Sangshatim. Namami Ramamishwaram. Namami Ramamishwaram. Vidhisha Deva Harshanam. Kapipsitartha Varshanam. Subandhu Shoka Karshanam. Namami Ramamishwaram. Namami Ramamishwaram. Fantastic, brilliant poetry, isn't it, my dear friends? We enjoyed it like anything. So in the next upcoming video, we will move on to the 7th, 8th and 9th shlokas. 9th is the Parashruti, 9th shlokas of Pramanika Ramashtakam. So until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.